We're looking now at 3 books from the 19th century relating to the White Mountains of New Hampshire. This leather-bound book here is a classic. Unfortunately, you can see the front cover has gotten detached at some point somehow. And what we've got, however, is the classic work called The White Hills by Thomas Starr King from 1864. So it's a Civil War era imprint, and it has this line drawing or wood engraving frontis. And we'll flip through the book. The ascent of Mount Washington. There's Androscoggin Valley. Okay, various illustrations scattered throughout the Saco Valley. Oh, some little leaf in there. Pemigewasset Valley. There's the Old Man of the Mountain, which about 10 or 15 years ago fell off Lake Winnipesaukee, and the Four Valleys, and so on. So there's the first book. This next book here is an Eastman White Mountain Guide. And we have here, this is interesting, Mrs. Jason B. King, Salem, in 1869. There is this map of routes to the White Mountains that's for this guidebook. And this is the 9th edition, Eastman, 1869. And you can see here it's just an extensive guidebook with, there's the old man again, with various small little in-text illustrations in different places. And at the rear, I think we saw here, yes, there is some advertisements. There is no map at the rear. It's just as seen here. And this final book is a wonderful White and Franconia mountain book, which is 1892. And it's Photogravures. And this one we're going to flip through very quickly because these are very beautiful views. And so there we are at Tip Top House at the summit of Mount Washington. Here we are, the Cog Railway coming up to the summit there, the Lizzie Bourne monument. She died on her way up to the summit. Here's the train and passengers on the old, look at that, that's great, on the old wooden boardwalk there. There's the Cog Railway itself. There's different versions of this engine. And this, they're actually today, I believe that one, the original one, is at the base of the mountain. You can see it, it's on display if you go there, which everybody should, because it's a fantastic ride up the side of the mountain. It's only one of only 2 or 3 cog railways ever in the world. And it's the model for any that exist, like in Switzerland. I think there's one, and there may be one in Colorado. And here's a great view of the Mount Pleasant House. Most of these large wooden grand hotels today, the Fabian House, have all burned to the ground. Only one is left, and it's been totally redone, this Sinclair. These are all gone. The Maplewood is great with the horse carriage there. Look at that profile house. Oof. Yep. There's the profile. There's Old Man of the Mountain. Okay. Yeah, these are nice profile lake. Very nice views here. Well printed. The Flume House. That's beautiful. That's nice. And so this trio of books relating to the White Mountains is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.